Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to try two concealers in the market. One which is the cult favorite from a long time and one which is new in the market and which is surprisingly a very exciting one, at least to me, because of the brand, because of the factor that it says, the description and the size of the product we get. So this is the Born This Way by Too Faced and I am quite excited to try this. This is literally such a cute packaging. It looks almost as big as a foundation, guys, and it is 15 mls, and I think I did a pretty good job in selecting the shade for my under eyes. It is a very nice highlighting shade to me, and the one I I'm using from a long time is Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. The shade I'm using is the shade Light Neutral. So we will be testing on my eyes today. This side Tarte and this side Too Faced. And the battle is going to be exciting, and let's see which one wins. So on my right eye, as I said, Tarte Shape Tape. So let's get started. Let me just pick up the tool once I don't have any brush or sponge. So I'm gonna blend it with the beauty blender and let's get started. Ooh, I just love the applicator and the fragrance of Tarte. If you don't know, it's such a nice one. So I'm gonna dot it as I like to do normally and just bringing it lightly downwards as well to make a triangle shape, and on the side of my nose. One swipe full on, almost a full coverage. For my bags, it's still less. I mean, you can still see my bag sometimes in some lights, and I can't say bad about this concealer. That is just my eyes, how they are. And for this, okay, this is also similar applicator and smells just like a normal concealer. It is not having any sort of fragrance like Tarte's. It is more of a chemically smell. It's quite good here as well. It is not settling as soon as it is blended, so it is less matte, or maybe it sets a little bit later. I like this fact because this way we can avoid creasing happening and we do not need to panic with our concealer. We can take our sweet time in blending, and then we can later on press it where the creasing is happening. But for now I'm pretty impressed. This side looks really covered, and I think the first impression is too good. I think I have not seen this much coverage in a long time. It is also making it look a little bit more plumper and, you know, lifted, and I think that is because of the shade or somehow in terms of shade. So this is Tarte Shape Tape. I think this is more yellow tone. This picks up a lot of amount, so I have to take up off the excess my tanned hand due to a lot of outdoor shoots. Still struggling to take off the tan. So this is the Too Faced. Oh, they are relatively closer. Bottom one is Too Faced and the top one is Tarte. So I see that the bottom one is slightly, oh, it is yellowish. So the Tarte is surprisingly more neutral. I thought it to be the opposite. So maybe because it is more brown tone as well. This is relatively a lighter shade. Also, I like that they have a lot of good shades to choose from. You can choose a contour shade as well, and it will last pretty long time as well, because I barely touch my eyes and I think I do not need to retouch. Sometimes I need to retouch with my Tarte Shape Tape side, because you can already see my hollowness is more visible here, so I will need to retouch. So I'll be doing my rest of the face makeup and we'll be right back to see which concealer looks good. So guys, I set my face with Laura Mercier powder and little bit of blush and highlighter and lipstick. So that is how my base looks now, and I pretty much can't tell that there is a different concealer on each eye, but I do like this one more. I'm slightly gravitating towards this. This looked better only after two, you know, layers, and now it's time to see which one creases first. A close look. I know you can't see any kind of big difference, but even from far I can't see anything like different, and I can't see that I like this side more, but I feel this side is better. I don't know why, because I initially saw the difference, but now I can't after 2 times application. So anyways, we will be doing check-ins and I'll be catching you later, so see you. Bye. Okay guys, I am back after 6 hours of wear of the concealers. Now looking at the mirror, I do see my face is looking too dewy. Really strict and difficult for me to review these because it was a very tough decision day, because today I did sweat a lot and it was a very humid day and it's raining. Some kind of noise could be heard by you as compared to before, because there is a little bit of noise outside and my camera can't hide all the noise. So let me see up close guys. A lot creasing here. Me all the time with Tarte Shape Tape. I do have to retouch with a powder foundation, or I do have to press it right inside my eyes, like to avoid any kind of creasing, because I do make a lot of faces, and today it was like a shoot that involved a lot of face expression, and yeah, I can probably see more creasing right here, and I can also see it's a little bit creasing here also, but that is very normal and is very less as compared to the right side. And considering the fact that we did sweat a lot and it was a very difficult day and very difficult weather to shoot, these both are staying so well, and everyone knows Tarte is a good one. But Too Faced is seriously guys, Too Faced is winning the game, and I can honestly tell you that I am gonna be glued to this. I'm totally gonna get more shades, at least 2 or 3 more shades for my vanity, for my makeup kit, for my professional use as well, because I think this will be loved by so many people, and many girls have dark circles these days, and of course we do need to spot conceal as well a lot of times. And I like that it is very lightweight and it's not very matte. It is totally a full coverage, and it is better than Tarte Shape Tape, and economically wise also it's better that you are getting 1.5 times the product. It is gonna last you few more months. I think I'm gonna be reaching out to Too Faced one more than the Tarte Shape Tape. The Tarte Shape Tape is not going away from my makeup collection. I will definitely repurchase it because it is my favorite, but depending on the battle today we did, it's clearly Too Faced which is winning the game, and I think it's non-creasing, everything made it win. So I need to exfoliate my face really well, because I think I will vlog badly today. I did sweat and I have makeup on, even though I applied a nice amount of primer, but I need to take care of my skin because I have shoot in 2 days. And yeah, so guys, that is all I want to say about the concealers. But like such videos, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and comment below what other battles you would like me to do, or the reviews you want me to do on the channel, and I would love to make such videos. Bye guys, bye.